The Pentecostal lady did have a yard sale. When I got there, everything was $1. A lot of these clothes still have the tag on it. Fashion show. I think for $1, I might wear this for a nightgown. For $1. The skirt and the loafers. It's a little bit tight. I don't care. I love it. It's cute. I liked it. The sweater. I think this was the main thing I wanted to get when I saw it. $1. I might show it to my future new daughter. I like the neckline. Hard to show, but I like the neckline. It's a cowl neckline. There we go. And I like the hem. And I like the hem. Interesting. There's this one. I could wear it. I have a jacket I've had a million years. It's reversible. Yeah, it's a keeper. Calvin Klein. New with tags. This little dress is just adorable. It is. I love it. I guess this is okay. It's pretty embroidery. I put on some shorts, but I thought I used to go to school in dresses like this. No wonder my father got mad. But yes, I would wear a dress like this to school.